All right, guys. So I missed the review for the past gold trade that I said I would take a review for. Happened like a couple days ago. It was a long on gold. So we're just going to do a quick breakdown of it. It will go over the range itself, the open high low close aspect of the trade, and why I took it. And yeah, that's basically it. So as we can see, prior to this weekly CRT, I was bullish for a 2-day CRT right here. How do I get whatever? All right, 2-day CRT. What the fuck? All right, so I was bullish for a 2-day CRT. This specific candle right here. And the reason why I was bullish was because higher time frame I'm bullish on silver, and as we know, gold and silver are correlated. So gold is going to follow through with silver, and so we have this one specific candle, which is a 2-day candle, which represents our price and our timed range. And the reason I was bullish, not only because I'm bullish on silver, also because of the weekly profile. So this weekly open to cap the monthly range. So the monthly open or the monthly candle was a open, high, low, close. So the end of the month, I'm expecting a retracement back into the range, right? I'm not expecting a full expansion. I'm trading specifically the closing end of the candle, right? And so as you can see, this 2-day range represents our time and our price range, okay? And as you can see, if you look at our range video that I made, the range high is a prominent swing high, the range low is a prominent swing low right here. It's not just a random range, it is a price and a timed range, okay? And the 50% doesn't have the cleanest turtle soup, okay? Right? 50% right here has accumulation but no clean turtle soup. But we have a turtle soup on the lower end of the range right here. Turtle soup to take us down to range low. And for me personally, that's still viable, and I still consider this a very, very clean range, okay? And so we soup the range low. The weekly profile is open, instantly dump, okay? We don't put in a clean high of week here on Monday in the Asia session. There's no SMT, no high time frame key level, okay? So I'm not expecting this to be an open high, low close, meaning I'm not expecting Thursday or Friday to cap the range. I'm expecting Wednesday to put in the low of week, right? So I'm incorporating the timing aspect of the trade into this. I'm not just blindly choosing a time. I'm not blindly longing a random range. I'm incorporating the open, high, low close of the monthly candle being the open. Let's find April open real quick, just so you guys see what I'm talking about. So April open right here. Open, accumulate, high, low, close. That's my thesis. So on the monthly candle, I'm expecting to cap the range. Weekly candle, I'm expecting open, dump, middle of the candle, reverse, okay? So we have the timing aspect. We soup a range, a time range, and a price range as well. And now we just need a high time frame key level, right? Which was this 2-day order block right here, down close candle, which was closed above. What the fuck? Down close candle, which was closed above. Very, very nice. 50% had never been tapped into. Okay, so this is a very, very clean level that offers a reversal. Okay, excuse me. So that key level, actually let me mark this out so you guys see. I got my boy here with me right now. Anthony, say what's up.
Hey, how we doing? Forget about it,
Yeah,
man.
he helped me take a short on gold right now. You know, we're currently at break even, so it's kind of a risk-free trade. Okay, and so this is the high time frame key level. Okay, and so we have the monthly open high low close incorporated. We have the weekly open high low close incorporated. Okay, and now for high probability entry, we want the daily profile incorporated. Okay, so this is how you catch these timed reversals. You catch exactly where price is going to reverse. So let's mark out the specific candle that we're trading, the specific daily candle we're trading. So what kind of day is this? This is going to be a bearish candle. Okay, we have an open, high, turtle soup, low, close. So I'm not expecting the reversal to happen in the beginning of the candle. I'm expecting the reversal to happen at the end of this specific daily candle, okay? Which is also incorporated into the weekly and the monthly candle, okay? So we come down, hit the range low right here and the high time frame key level. However, we do not get our entry currently because we have no low time frame range to enter off of. So now we wait for a model 1, okay, which was ended up getting printed on silver right here. Actually, excuse me, no model 1. We had a low time frame range on silver. I'm giving you guys crazy sauce right now, so please pay the fuck attention. Right, Anthony?
Absolutely.
Tell him to pay attention. So we have this clean range. Everything that happens on the high time frame happens on the low time frame. Prominent swing high, prominent swing low, 50% turtle soup, right? Everything always happens aligned. And Wednesday, 2 p.m., we had FOMC. So this is another thing. You want to look at the calendar, the news calendar. What time will the volatility injection come in? So the daily profile lined up for the volatility injection to put in the low of the day. Okay, right at 2 p.m. 2 p.m., 2:30, FOMC statement. That's when I'm expecting the volatility to come in. Now, it wasn't as volatile as I thought it was going to be, but it doesn't matter. The timing aspect was still there. We souped range low on silver, and when silver souped the range low, gold, okay, came into the correlating Model 1 for that range. We had SMT here. And we have SMT on the higher time frame. You guys can go look at that yourself. I don't feel like doing that. Okay. Right here. So we have this. I think it was a 15-minute or a 10-minute, excuse me. 10-minute Model 1. I'm giving you guys more time frame alignment sauce right now. 2 hour correlates with the 10-minute. So 10-minute Model 1. 50% tapped perfectly. This was our entry, and I'll show you the guys' trade so you guys don't think I'm lying. Here, entered. You can check the timestamp, everything. This is where I entered, and I closed right around the screenshot, okay? Because I didn't want to hold to 50%. We had SMT and everything, and I just kind of felt like closing. I was very content with the profits on this trade. So I just felt like closing. I was up like 7 RR. And so we entered down here. And we closed. Oh shit. We closed here. Oh no, we closed. What am I talking about? Yeah, we closed up here. Right around here. The 50% of this specific trade was all the way up here. Which, as you know, 50% is 99.9% of the time guaranteed. Always, right? Hit 50% and we reject. I was confident with this entry. I partialed most of my trade out here, and then I held till about like right around here, this area on price. But this is where I took most of my partials from. Okay. But yeah, we entered down here, held to here, finished our trade up here. Okay, and yeah, so that's why it took this long. And that's basically the whole trade review. If you guys take notes, you guys will learn many, many things because every single trade I take is the exact fucking same. Right, Anthony?
Listen up, guys.
The exact fucking same. If your trades don't look the same, you do not have a system. And stop lying to yourself saying you have a system because you don't. Every single one of your trades should look the exact same. You should have the exact same entries. It should vary very little. It should vary. Your entries should vary not often. It should be consistently the same entry every single time. Consistently the same exit every single time. And you should manage the trade the exact same every single time you take a trade. If you guys look at every single one of the trades I've posted on here and reviewed, every single one looks the exact same. I have the open, high, low, close aspect incorporated. I have range high and range low incorporated, right? And I have SMT incorporated, high time from key level. Every single time I take a trade, it looks the exact same. One's on the higher time frame, one might be on the lower time frame, doesn't matter. They all look the same. That is how you know you have a system. That is how you can be okay with and being confident with taking trades because you've seen this multiple times. I've seen this exact sequence happen so many times that I'm willing to put money on the table. And if I lose, I'm wrong, doesn't matter. I know that I'm going to win more than I lose, and I know that my risk to reward will outweigh my losses 100-fold every single time. So I'm not even worried about taking a loss because I've seen this exact sequence happen so many fucking times. Okay? So if you guys review why this only went to the 50%, I wasn't confident in this coming all the way to the high, right? There's a reason I closed at the 50%, and there's a reason I did not hold to the high. If you guys review and look at the trade itself and you learn something and you dig deep into why this did not go all the way to the high, I'll give you a hint. It's the timing aspect, okay? The new month opened. That's all I'm going to give you. And yeah, so I hope you guys learned something. And that's the end of this trade review. Say bye, Anthony.
Later, y'all.
Yes, sir.